Welcome to A to Z Guru. My name is Vikash and today I'll explain you syntax of jQuery. This is part 3 of jQuery tutorial. So, how we are writing syntax of jQuery? Basically, syntax is like that. Dollar symbol, in small bracket, we are writing selector dot action. So we use to access jQuery. Selector we use to find HTML element means suppose we have element like paragraph or other, so that it will find, or suppose we are writing id or we have class, so by that we can find. And action whatever action we need to perform, in that we are writing. So don't worry about that syntax. Whenever in next video I'll give that example clearly, then you will clear on that. So basically this is the syntax which we are using. So this is some example. As I told, I will explain more in detail in next video. So suppose this is, as I told, this is dollar, and this means self current element it will take. Hide is a function which will hide that particular current element. This all event it's showing that this method is showing that. Likewise here p dot hide is a method of jQuery and p is a paragraph, so it will hide all paragraph which we are using in particular page. Here we have dot test dot, we are using for making class. So same, uh, test is class name dot representing class dot hide. So it will hide that test class. I'll go in detail in next video. So likewise here hash symbol is representing id. So hash test, test is a name of id, so this will hide that particular id. So where we should write this all that function. So we have event dollar document dot ready function, and inside that we should write that method. What is meaning of that dollar document dot ready function? So suppose we have a element. So if before it load, if we have fire one event like hide, so which element it will hide if we don't have? So that's why first fully it will load full document, then event will fire. So that's why this is representing same thing. First it will allow to load all document, then method will fire or method will execute. So in short word also we can write that syntax dollar function, and inside that we can write this also given by jQuery team. So same like here it's working, same thing it will work here. So this is all about syntax. So from next video I'll start practical session of jQuery also. So from that you will clear more about jQuery. So thanks guys. If you have any doubt, then write in comment section whatever suggestion you need to give. So write in comment section, share this video, like this video and subscribe the channel.